I was living two lives, one in front of everyone at work and family, and the other behind closed doors where I live. And it just couldn't go on any longer.
Hakeem's mental health struggles stem from abuse and childhood trauma. Facing stigma from friends and family, he lost faith in the system that was meant to support him. We've changed his name to protect his identity.
That first counsellor that I spoke to, that was the one that caused what was a 9-year delay in me actually going back and getting the help that I know I needed.
His fears revolved around his culture being misunderstood.
I didn't want to be stereotyped. I didn't want to be labelled more than I was already labelling myself. What I was looking for is someone that's actually going to understand the root of what I'm talking about, where I'm coming from, and then give me something to think about off the back of that. So yes, I didn't trust the process. I didn't trust the system, and I didn't think that they were going to be able to help me.
NHS data shows less than 3,000 per 100,000 Asian people are in touch with mental health services. For their white counterparts, this stands at more than 4,000. Uptake is lowest in the Indian community, with just over 2,000 per 100,000 seeking support. Suraj reached out for help after her son took his own life. But after facing barriers in treatment, she dropped out.
It would have been very helpful, someone who can understand my background as well at the same time, coming from the Asian community. I just think it was more of a book that he was more following, and I really felt it wasn't helping me at all. I didn't feel like it's me who's walked into this room, it's me who's gone through so much mentally being disturbed.
Experts say more cultural awareness is needed.
Within the South Asian community, there's huge stigma around mental health. We're finding that many South Asian people who attempt to access psychological services or any sort of mental health type treatment, it doesn't quite match or fit their conceptual needs and cultural needs.
Hakeem has managed to find support, but there are significant concerns for the many others unable to access help. Aisha Zahid, Sky News.